Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Ahrefs for keyword research and backlink audits, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Ahrefs website in your preferred web browser. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the subscription process. You will be directed to a page that outlines the different subscription plans available. Review the plans carefully to determine which one best fits your needs. Once you've decided on a plan, click the Get Started button associated with that plan. A registration form will appear requesting your email address and a password. Fill in your email address and create a strong password for your account. After completing the form, click the Create Account button to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Ahrefs. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Ahrefs website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, you will be taken to a dashboard where you can explore various tools. To begin keyword research, navigate to the Keywords Explorer tab in the main menu. Enter the keyword or phrase you want to research into the search bar. Select the search database that is relevant to your target region. Click the Search button to generate keyword data. Review the keyword metrics such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and click potential. For backlink audits, navigate to the Site Explorer tab. Enter the domain you wish to analyze in the search bar. Select the relevant database for your backlink audit. Click the Search button to retrieve backlink data. Explore the various metrics, including referring domains and backlink profile. Utilize the insights gained for your SEO strategies and content creation. Feel free to explore additional features within Ahrefs to maximize your subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.